As we stand together on this stunning Caribbean beach, surrounded by our closest loved ones, I can't help but feel that this moment perfectly captures us and who we are. We are both travelers, adventurers, dedicated to creating beautiful memories with those we hold dear.
Whatever life takes us, I'll be there, loving you, choosing you, and standing by your side.
Perhaps it was the way that you smiled. I see you, boy. Oh, I did you, boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Find someone like you.
Ready, baby!
I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Find someone like you. Maybe I want this to last forever. Maybe I want this. Can we make this last forever? Nothing's ever perfect, but you're perfect to me. I've fucked, been asleep, you're a dream, I need you. Though we got a past, I want you. And even when it's bad, I love you. I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Find someone like you. And yeah, yeah, yeah. I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Find someone like you. Oh, baby, maybe I want this. Oh, I want this to last forever. Oh, yeah. Maybe I want this. Can we make this last forever?
It is now my honor to pronounce you husband and wife. Lawrence, you may kiss your bride. Please allow me to introduce for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Lawrence Jackson.
I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Like you. Find someone like you. Like you, yeah. I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Find someone like you. Tell me, can we make